Good morning everyone, my name is Tsania Safira Putri. In this video, I will show you about the nature of teaching and learning. These are the list of contents. Today, I would like to share my view about an important environment issue, which is air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful gases, smoke, and dust contaminate the air we breathe. It is mainly caused by vehicle emission, factory smoke, burning waste, and deforestation. In my opinion, air pollution is one of the most serious environmental problems because it directly affects human health. Many people suffer from respiratory disease such as asthma and lung infection due to poor air quality. Besides harming humans, air pollution also damages ecosystem and contributes to climate change. I believe solving this problem requires cooperation from everyone. Government should enforce stricter environmental regulation. Industries must reduce emission and individuals can help by using public transportation, planting trees, and reducing waste burning. In conclusion, clean air is essential for life. If we take action now, we can protect our environment and ensure a healthier future for the next generation. 1. Describe a subject taught in your school. Teaching English as a foreign language is a subject that focuses on how to teach English effectively to students whose first language is not English. This course is very important for English education students because it prepares us to become professional English teacher in the future. In this subject, we learn not only about English language skills but also about teaching methods, classroom management, lesson planning, and student assessment. The main goal of this course is to help us understand how students learn English and how teachers can support that learning process. 2. Who teaches it? This subject is taught by a lecturer who specializes in English teaching methodology. The lecturer has strong experience in education and teaching practice. During the class, the lecturer acts not only as an instructor, but also as a facilitator and mentor who guides us to become reflective and creative teachers. The lecturer encourages active participation, discussion, and collaboration among students. We are often motivated to share opinion, ask questions, and practice teaching skills. 3. How is it taught? The teaching method in this class is very interactive and student-centered. Instead of only listening to lecture, we participate in many activities such as groups discussion, presentation, micro-teaching session, and lesson plan project. For example, during micro-teaching, each student practiced teaching English in front of classmates as we were real teachers. After that, we received feedback from the lecturer and classmates to improve our teaching performance. Technology is also used in the learning process. Sometimes we use video, online platform, and digital learning tools to make the class more engaging and relevant to modern education. 4. What do you learn from the class? From this class, I learned many important things. First, I learned different teaching approaches such as communicative language teaching and test-based learning. Second, I learned how to design effective lessons plan that match student needs and learning objectives. Besides academic knowledge, I also developed soft skills such as communication skills, confidence, creativity, and critical thinking. This subject helps me understand that teaching is not only about delivering material, but also about inspiring students and creating a positive learning environment. Personally, this class makes me more confident about my future career as an English teacher. It helps me realize the responsibilities and challenges of being an educator. 1. What skill is it? The skill I want to learn is public speaking, especially the ability to speak confidently, clearly, and engagingly in front of students. Public speaking is not only about talking loudly or fluently, but also about delivering ideas in a way that students can understand, feel interested, and stay motivated. As a future English teacher, I will spend most of my time speaking in front of a class. Therefore, mastering communication skills is very important for my professional development. 2. Why do you think it is important? I think this skill is important because teachers are communicators. A teacher must explain lessons, give instruction, ask questions, and encourage students every day. If a teacher cannot communicate well, students may feel confused, bored, or unmotivated. Good public speaking also helps build student confidence. When a teacher speaks clearly and enthusiastically, students become more active and comfortable in learning English. Besides teaching, public speaking is also useful for presentations, seminars, academic conference, and professional development. It helps me express my ideas confidently and become a more competent educator. 3. How are you going to learn it? To improve this skill, I plan to practice consistently. First, I will practice speaking English every day, even in simple situations like explaining a topic aloud or recording myself speaking. Second, I will participate actively in class presentation and micro teaching activities at university. These opportunities allow me to experience real teaching situations and receive feedback from lecturer and classmates. Third, I will watch experienced teachers and education speaker to learn their teaching style, pronunciation, body language, and classroom interaction technique. I also plan to join teaching communities or workshops where I can practice teaching and communication skills with other future teachers. 4. What role will it play in your life? The skill will play a very important role in my life because it supports my dream career as an English teacher. With strong public speaking skill, I can create an engaging classroom environment where students feel comfortable learning English. It will also help me inspire students, guide them confidently, and become a positive role model. In the long term, this skill can open many opportunities, such as becoming a trainer, speaker, or educational content creator. Personally, improving my communication skills will increase my self confidence and help me grow both professionally and personally. I think that's all about my presentation. I hope you like and enjoy it. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Bye.